What's up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another video, and today I will be I gotta make like one errand and go get me some lashes for my hair and some dye from the hair store. Got Megan with me. And yeah, I look a mess, but wait till later on. I'm gonna be back. But yeah.
And the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children on the corner. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at herself cause she can't leave me alone. Gossip and messy, it ain't what we doing.
So I am getting my hair done.
I get my vulnerable when I can feel. When you drunk you tell me exactly how you feel. Exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to
No worries.
Yeah. I've been traveling around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Message say deliver, but I know that y'all don't get it. Why you introduce us if you knew that you was with him? Made me shake his hand, we got been fucking for a minute. Walk me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. Supposed to be a dog, but you done put me in a kennel. Girl, put a muzzle on it, all that barking over dinner. I was fucking with you when you had a tiny presidential. You got better when you met me and that ain't coincidental. Tried to bring the best out you, guess I'm not influential. Guess I'm not the one that's meant for you.
YouTube, it's your girl tonight. I'm back with another video, and today it's gonna be but right now I'm just gonna do like a get ready with me, and yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to tell a friend, and yeah.
She's so plastic. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you lost it. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he angry. I wish that we can change fantasy. Don't want no fool fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. Let's take time this. Don't go live no life without me, cause you my business. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me. Pretty face, pretty tempting, but pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something more than I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me, and they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know, and I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck, and I know they with they niggas but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. She don't wanna go to sleep, she ain't. complexities. They say time. Better tell that nigga you mine. Heard you been crying, I tired of that. Girl, tell me you lied. Let me beat that pussy up one more time. Let me beat that pussy up one more time. I know that you feel for it. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. I wish that we could change places. Don't wanna move, no fancy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go build no life without me, cause you're my this. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Lately I've been gone, I'm feeling crazy. Yeah, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. They say time. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do.
Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me.
You a fuck, pull up at your spot.
Well on their endeavors in life in 2024 and hope you take it to the limit.
Y'all ready, man? Shoulders, head, knees, toes, shoulders, knees, toes. Okay, cut.
Just Dr. Pepper drinking eggs. There goes somebody over there. Come on, that's it.
Blank. We're gonna shot the clock.
You can't touch it. Hold on, Crash, let me record you. Okay, go Crash. Ooh! Big hoes, big back up. Now you got water, Ash. Get water. Girl, water, nigga. Come on, people. He ain't green. Y'all heard hard. I'm gonna catch on fire.
miles up in the air. I might get some seats. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears, cold, bitch, shaking ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, we only speaking brief. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta. I spend my last check on ammo. Fishing out a regular Lambo. On $1,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I feel this shit forever. Have me say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money. This ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide. I tried to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he still good. I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. On the mill, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, they all the bills. I'm the golden child. I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dime, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro taught me that way back. Cuno took it off, I was always talking, don't say hoes where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, they say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Perry or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but wait, take a picture.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do.
Okay.
Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. Where I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money with, not take it from me. But they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a